And this one will add an apex so we can lay the roof on and make it detachable. So in wall, double click to edit, click on again to highlight the face, copy, click away, edit, paste in place. So we've got a copy of the end wall. Pencil tool, inner corner, up arrow constrains to the blue line, click. Same again, blue line, click. So now, spacebar, pick tool. Now we've got two parts. So we click on the top bit, copy, and then we'll triple click and we'll delete. Edit, paste in place, and now we've got the apex. Push pull tool, pull, enter 0.5. So that comes out 0.5mm. Spacebar, pick tool, triple click, right, make group. So now we've got a group, and we'll click on the corner, control, restrain it along the red line, and we can pull it along to the corner. This one, escape, click on this one, and we'll constrain it to the red line, click on the corner. So there we go. Next one, we're going to make a crossbar, makes life easier to add the roof. Click on it, the new end wall on the face. Pencil to the right, along the green axis, along the left to the green axis. Pick tool, pick the little triangle there, copy, and then click away. Edit, paste in place. And we want to go to push pull tool, click on there and drag it across to the corner there. Pick tool, triple click, right click, make a group. So we've got this piece, and this piece. So we press Control, we can join them up, or we can make a group of them, so we know what's what. If you come here, materials, pick a colour, you get the paint pot, and we change that to red. That means we know that that won't be glued down when we make a building up. This will be separate. So we'll add our roof to it, and then we can just plonk it down and it will fit inside the frame.